Hey guys, I think I'm going to start something new where, as I'm going along doing my daily routine thing, I realize that I do a lot of little tricks and things like that that are just kind of second nature anymore that maybe you guys haven't seen or heard of or thought of. And I don't know, I figured I'd just show you some of them, 1, 2, 3 minute things, and, see if you guys like it. And if you do like it, just hit like for me, comment, because I want to hear what you guys know. I want, if we all get together, share all of our collective tips and tricks together, we could probably fill out a service manual. I mean, and it would be the most redneck, hillbilly, white trash service manual ever, but it'd be pretty cool and interesting. Anyway, here's one I want to show you. So, just take your average cardboard box, and when you're changing out plugs, or if you're trying to diagnose an engine problem, you can just drill some holes about the size of the porcelain on the plug, and then just label them, what cylinder they are, of course, 1357 on the driver's, 2468 on the passenger. And it'll help you, get in there, see which one's fouled, who's out of whack with the others, real quick and easy, and it kind of idiot-proofs the process. And, I don't know, I just thought it was kind of neat. It's something I was just thinking, I was like, hey, I do this, and I bet somebody doesn't. Well, anyway, that's going to do that. And again, if you like that, just hit that thumbs up, please. Hit the subscribe if you're just finding me. I'd like to get this thing off the ground, guys. I think we have a lot of valuable information we can share together as well. If you follow me on Instagram, Dale the Stock Car Racer, we can, just follow me there. Comment, post, get on there. Tell me what you know. I mean, seriously. I want to know. So, anyway, thanks, guys. Have a good one.